Hello, the topic today is solving logarithmic equations. We are looking at solution by substitution. The question: solve for x in log x base 3 squared minus a half log x base 3 is equal to 3/2. Now for this question, we can let the logarithm of x base 3 be some letter, say y, and therefore we will substitute. Wherever we have logarithm of x base 3, we will write y. So that implies this equation rewritten will become y squared minus a half y is equal to 3/2. Now, for convenience, we are going to do away with the fractions, and that means we'll multiply all through by the LCM, and the LCM here is 2, so we'll have 2y squared minus y is equal to 3. We can bring 3 to the left hand side, and that will give us 2y squared minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Well, we are going to solve this equation here. It's a quadratic equation, so I'm going to apply the quadratic formula, and therefore y will become minus b, and b here is -1, so minus -1, that is 1, and then we have plus or minus the square root of b squared, and b is -1, so -1 squared is 1, minus 4 times a times c, a is 2, c is -3, so 4 times 2 times -3, that gives us -24. And then we'll have that all over twice a is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. We will then continue as follows. We have 1 plus or minus, minus gives us positive, so 1 plus 24, that is 25, so the square root of 25 is 5, and then we have that over 4. So the first value of y becomes, so we obtain it by addition, so 1 plus 5, that is 6, 6 divided by 4, that should give us 1.5. And the second value of y we obtain by subtractions. We have 1 minus 5, that is -4, -4 divided by 4 is -1. So from here, we can then reintroduce this. Remember, we had let log x base 3 be y. So in place of y, we can have log x base 3. And for this first solution, we'll equate it to 1.5. Now we're going to express this equation here in index form. Remember, we can express from logarithm form to index form. We'll have the base raised to this number here should be equal to x. So x is equal to 3 raised to 1.5. And if I press this in my calculator, I'm getting 5.196. And also, if we let log x base 3 be equal to -1, this means x should be equal to 3 power -1. 3 power -1 is just a third. So x is equal to a third. So these are the solutions to this problem. X is 5.196, or x is a third. And with that, we come to the end of the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.